How does the travel deduction expense really work? Plenty of ways that you can use this deduction, and I will explain more in this video. My name is Ann Yopis, and I am the founder and CEO of ACTvisory, where we help small business owners elevate their business by educating them, always being available for them, and treating them like family. In today's video, I am going to go over some of the travel deduction that you should be utilizing as a small business owner. In my opinion, this is one of the most underused tax deduction by small business owners today. Unlike meals, this travel expense deduction is 100% a write-off. The deduction includes expenses for airfare, hotel, rental houses or rental rooms through services like VRBO and Airbnb, rental cars, valet parking, taxis, Uber, Lyft, trains, tolls, you name it, and so much more. You will be shocked to know how many business owners that come across my desk with their tax return is not even utilizing the travel deductions. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, how can we utilize it? And I know a lot of small business owners are thinking that we have to have hundreds of thousands of dollars to use this, but you'll be surprised how small of an expense can add up. Here are some ways that you can use this travel deduction. Number one, meet with a client. Find the opportunity when you're traveling to meet with some customers that you have that are probably outside of your local area. That's why it's a good reason to have multiple streams of income or more than one small business, so that when you travel, you can meet with clients over multiple services or products that you offer while you're meeting with them. Number two, meet with a vendor. Do you have a supplier or a affiliate partner or a support professional that you can meet with while you're traveling? Number three, attend a conference or event. In almost every major U.S. city, there are investment clubs, real estate clubs, continuing education courses, conferences, professional groups, and organizations that are always meeting at least once, sometimes 2 or 3 times a year. So attend those conferences and training, because that is a travel deduction that you're able to utilize in your business. Number four, go check on your rental property. If you're in real estate and you have Airbnbs or rental property in another area, when you go travel to check on the property or check in with the property manager or check on the tenant, that's a legitimate travel expense. And the fifth way to utilize this is hold your annual board of directors, shareholder, or member meeting somewhere else outside of your local area, so that a lot of people feel like those annual board of director meetings is a burden, but I look at it as a benefit, because that's a tax deductible trip that you're able to write off. Just make sure that you take notes for the meeting, document what happened at the meeting and what the game plan is to grow your business to the next level, what came out of those meetings. So those right there are 5 great ways that you can deduct to travel, and you should utilize this tax deduction in your favor. But here's a word of caution to beware. Things can tend to get sticky if you combine too much pleasure with the business. So to protect yourself, only deduct the expenses on the travel days that you actually did travel for. And so the IRS rule of thumb for doing business is anything that is 4 hours or more. Now, if the travel requires you to do over the weekend, then an added benefit is for that is if it's sandwiched over the weekend. So how you get about doing that is If you begin traveling on a Thursday, you do business on Friday, you're stuck where you are for Saturday and Sunday, and then you did business on Monday, that whole entire trip is written off because you had business bookending at the start and at the end of those personal days. So again, personal days are generally not a write-off on a business trip unless they're sandwiched in between the business and you couldn't prevent it. So this is just one of the many tax deductible expenses you should be utilizing as a small business owner. I'm offering a free tax deductible expense checklist for the self-employed. If you're interested in grabbing that checklist, click on the link below. And if you need help in your business in any way, I am also offering free consultations. Click the other link below to schedule a call. I am Ann with the Y, and now go elevate in your business.